Hey, everybody, what's up? What's up? It's your girl Georgette with another video. How y'all doing out there, ladies? This is for my ladies. So, if you're new to me, my name is Georgette, and just a little bit about my channel. I like for you to know, what you're gonna get when you visit my channel. And my channel is all about inspiring you and motivating you. And in doing so, you may just transform your lives, guys, because I have totally done that. So, at the end, if you're new to me and haven't subscribed, you will do that at the end. So, gain a little bit of value and then you can smash it in. So, my ladies, this is all for you. This is what I have to give you guys as a female, as a divorcee, now single, a mother of two beautiful daughters, and I just want to stop in here real quick and just drop a little bit of, what I've learned. And so, oftentimes, and how we are raised as females, we learned that we should grow up and go to school, get the education, and then find this amazing, wealthy, successful man to sweep us off our feet. And then parents like to be planning for the wedding, and then after the wedding, then you have the children, and they plan your life for you. But females, I really want to give these little tips that I have. It's for you. Let me tell you one of the things, and not one, but a few things I'm going to give you here is one of the greatest things as a female and males as well. But this is really for my females. If you're a guy watching, continue watching. Then you'll know how to treat your lady. One of the greatest things for you females is loving yourself. Is really loving yourself. I'm loving my braids. One of the greatest things that I can give you here is to really truly love yourself. And I'm not talking about doing your nails and doing your hair. Yes, we must look our best always, you know. But I did not learn this in depth until I started reprogramming my mindset. How to truly love myself. I promise you, I really didn't. And I'm going to give you what I have learned. What I have learned how to truly love myself is that how I see myself is very important. Females like to say, oh, I'm so fat. Oh, I don't like this about myself. My arms is so thick. When you're sending that out there, that's powerful. What you're doing is you're disempowering yourself. You're taking away your strength when you do that. When you constantly beat up on yourself like that, you're taking away your power, girls. Ladies, you're taking away your power. And I'm going to tell you how to really love yourself. And in loving yourself, what happens is that you attract that to you. You don't have to go on the dating site. Been there. You don't have to seek out anybody. When you truly love yourself, you attract that to you. I learned that. However you see others to be, perceive them to be, that's how they are going to be in real time to you. Even with family members. If you see your mother or your sisters or your brothers or whomever in your family is being really disgusting or mean or cantankerous, if you know what that word means, cantankerous, a very troublesome person who stirs up trouble. If you see any family member or friends as that way, that's what they are going to be. But what I have learned is that when you love yourself, you radiate love and you bring that to you. When you look at others, not who they really are in real time, but see them as loving and kind and wonderful and sweet. I had to tell a lady that last night. I was on a meeting and she was talking about her family. I was sharing about my family as well. Others were sharing. And she said something about a family member, how they are. And I had to tell her that whatever you perceive them to be, that's what they will be. Guys, when you send love to others that are being really troublesome and mischievous, whether it's your family, whether it's a spouse, or whomever it is, when you send love and light, I promise you, when you send love and light, ladies, you will receive that. You don't have to go out there and seek love from anybody. You will just accidentally, you will have a flat tire and stop on the side of the road and you can meet your soulmate just like that. You know, since I started my journey, and I do send love and light. See, when every video I do, I send love and light. And that's real, that's genuine from my soul. Even my baby girl in college, you know, teenagers, you know, and my girls and I are pretty close. But, you know, you don't get that love and sometimes. But for every message I get, love you, mommy, the kissy faces. And I'm like, grown. 19-year-old, she's gonna be, the baby girl's gonna be 19, the big girl's, you know, and so I'm like, what's different? And I understand that because I started to give love, to share love. I give love and light. I am receiving it from friends that people are calling me, how you doing, girl? Love you. I understand that however you perceive others to be, that's what they're gonna be. If you send love, true love out, you never have to look for it. You will attract that to you. So ladies especially, this is for my ladies. Also, another thing for my ladies is that you have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of your hygiene, and you have to self-care. You have to, you know, your health is truly your wealth. And so oftentimes us females just think that a man is our rescue, and they are not. We have powers that is hidden within us, you know. And so if you take care of yourself, you maybe can't afford to do the nails and everything else, but you can smell clean. Whatever you have, you can make it work, you know. So even if you don't have a lot to work with, you can carry yourself and be clean and smell clean, because whatever you are and portray, that is what you are attracting to you. I promise you. If you carry yourself like you don't care, you don't have the funds to perhaps do the braids or to do the nice hairstyle, but at least you can wash your hair and fix it. However, you might not be able to do the nails, but you can polish your nails. You see, when you learn self-care and self-love, you will attract that to you. Exercise. You don't have to enroll in the gym at this present moment. And I'm a gym fanatic. I'm a fitness trainer, and I'm not back in the gyms. Our gyms are just open. I just went there the other day, and I don't feel comfortable going back. And so I do my workout at home. My resistance training is done at home. And if you follow my videos, I go jogging in every evenings, and I go on the beach for my self-care. You have to nurture your spirit and your soul. You have to also nurture your body with what you eat. You don't expect to go to those fast food, I won't call them, and eat those chicken and fries and burgers and all that every day, and expect to look your best and feel your best and attract the person that you want to, you know, because what's happening, you're attracting the person that you are. Are you healthy? Do you have a success mindset? Do you have a wealthy mindset? Because we all want the successful man, but do you have that mindset, and are you doing things each day for you yourself to become very successful? We attract to us. We've never been taught this, because we grow up and our parents want us with the successful man, to get married. They plan the wedding and to have the children. We were never taught this. However, I'm sharing this nugget with you. Love yourself. Every morning, look in the mirror and say, I love you, Georgette. That's my name. You call your name. I love you, Georgette. I appreciate you, Georgette. When you love upon yourself, When you nurture yourself, your skin, when you take care of yourself, you're going to attract to you the very person that you are. And that's just a few little tips I'm dropping for you, my females. Guys, it can apply to you too, but I just want to give this to my ladies out there. You know how to really nurture yourself. Take care of you. Don't wait for the man to come and sweep you off your feet. God damn it, sweep your own self off your feet. I sweep myself off my feet daily. I nurture myself. Yes, I nurture my spirit, my soul. I tell myself, Georgette, I am in love with you. I promise you. I look in the mirror and I now know it's not crazy to do that. I thought it was crazy one time ago. It's not. Look in the mirror and say, I'm in love with you, girl. Georgette, you are a beast, girl. You just doing it, girl. You just doing your thing. I do. Because if I'm waiting for someone to tell me that, they're only words. So I may as well just tell myself and just boost my ego. And so, ladies, that's what I have for you. Love yourself. Nurture yourself. Nurture your spirit. Nurture your soul. And guess what? You're going to meet someone. You're going to attract that person the very same as you are to then come and to nurture you. Yes, that's it. That's how it works. I love you so much. If you're new to me, ladies, gents, smash in on the subscribe, like, and share. Please share with a female who needs to hear this. Please share. That's my end goal, to inspire and to motivate, and that will lead to transformation. Smash the subscribe, like, and share. Grab your free gift and grab the guide below. I'm leaving that. Keep watching. I'm leaving videos popping up. Guys, I send you so much love and light. I appreciate you so much for watching. Bye now. It's your girl, Georgette. Mwah!